Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is an antique English Verge bird case, Fusee and chain pocket watch. Bird case, it means it has two cases, the inner case and the outer case. It has also high dome crystal. The watch is key wind key set. Let's see the inner case. This is the inner case, and to set the time, we have to insert the key at the center and move the hands. The watch has Champleve Dial with Roman numerals in the inner chapters for hours and Arabic numbers in the outer chapters for minutes. The Champleve dial was made before the porcelain was invented. The Champleve dial is about silver filled with wax. The dial is signed East London. The watch was made by Edward East. Also, the dial has two blue poker and beetle hands, very beautiful hands. Let's set the time. The watch has swinging out movement. Let's see the movement. The movement has engraved cork and silver regulator disc. This is the engraved cork and this is the regulator. The watch has Fusee and chain movement. Also, the movement is signed Edward East. The watch is from the year 1695. It has about 326 years old. The watch has Fusee and chain movement, very beautiful. Fusee and chain movement, and has beautiful ticking sound. The Fusee has a cone shape. This is the Fusee. When the watch is fully wound, the chain is fully wrapped around the cone. And to wind the watch. We have to move the key counterclockwise. Be careful not to overwind the watch, or else you will break the chain. Let's see the outer case. This is the outer case, because the watch has two cases, and this is the documentation paper. The outer case also made out of silver. What I noticed about this outer case, when I open the case, it is open wider than 90 degrees. It is open more wider than 90 degrees. Very beautiful antique English Verge Fusee and chain pocket watch by Edward East. It has Champleve Dial, very beautiful Champleve Dial, and beautiful hands. Also the watch has silver pendant and bow. Thanks for watching. I love you all. See you next video. Bye.